Hi everybody, and welcome back to Tesla Center Point. Tesla's Q2 profit is said to stun the securities exchange this year. Why? Well, the securities exchange has not been doing so above and beyond the past couple of months. A large portion of the stock costs have been going down, yet Tesla holders stay pretty bullish. Even with every one of the vacillations going on, Tesla is as yet supposed to do all around well as far as a portion of its key financials are concerned. Its Q2 income is certainly expected to leave the financial exchange stunned in view of the drop in share value compared to how Tesla is really proceeding as an organization. So what has the examination got to say regarding the organization's Q2 income? What are the key numbers that will leave you staggered? We should figure that out. Tesla's Q2 profit is supposed to be delivered around July 2022. There's something significant that everybody is feeling the loss of that will stun Tesla holders. Tesla's Q1 income report, which was delivered back in April, showed us that Tesla is still extremely bullish even with the offer cost falling. It appears that the drop in Tesla's portion cost was not because of the organization's exhibition, but rather a greater amount of the generally negative opinion in the securities exchange. All in all, because of the increasing loan fees war and expansion, as per U.S. News, Tesla's stock figured out how to record a development pace of up to 700 out of 2020. With everything that could be simply left the whole financial exchange in shock, and financial backers could have a ton to acquire from this yet. How could we say this yet? The stock cost continues to get endlessly lower. Well, this is anticipated from the ebb and flow progress that Tesla has made as of April this year. Tesla has detailed that it might have sold around 310,048 vehicles, which was exclusively in the principal quarter for Tesla in 2022. On the off chance that you look at this for the earlier year, 2021, around the same time, there was a 68 increment with these deals. The organization revealed a net gain of $3.3 billion for the primary quarter of 2022. This quarterly record even outperformed what the Wall Road examination had anticipated, implying that the organization's income flooded by 81% year over year to 18.8 billion trip. Chowdhury from Worldwide Values Research composed a note saying that the second quarter of 2022 is now ending up being a gigantic one for Tesla. Chowdhury is the prime supporter of Worldwide Values Research, a firm that offers monetary administrations like basic investigation into worldwide values to work with the stock. They mostly center around the close-term, mid-term, and long-haul patterns. He has achieved 3 years of sell-side examination experience from FTN Midwest Protections, where he was fundamentally the lead examination who covered the IDE area as he was playing out his month-to-month mines. At Tesla's plant in Vermont, he saw that May 2022 is set for a very impressive creation shipment and conveyance. This will energize Tesla holders for its Q2 profit, yet that isn't all. Chowdhury alluded to a portion of the new photographs of the production line, which showed additional transportation trucks this quarter when contrasted with the last one. He then, at that point, went on to gauge that the all-out number of delivery trucks has expanded by no less than 20, and that caused him to accept that the second quarter of this current year is as of now turning out to be serious areas of strength for the automaker organization. Conventional automakers like General Engines, Portage, Toyota, and even Volkswagen will undoubtedly encounter a drop in profit. Tesla may very well see its income rise, and as a matter of fact, it's assessed that they could see their profit increment by around 142%, contrasted with 2021. Organizations like Volkswagen are as of now seeing their profit go somewhere around 14, and Portage has seen theirs go somewhere near 58. This has been caused by the store network and creation issues that are as of now being capable all around the world. Tesla actually figures out how to remain at the top, and the income reports turning out in Q2 2022 could well mirror this, paying little mind to how the organization acted in the primary quarter. Regardless of whether it do very well, most Tesla investors are not worried. It is all from here on out and what the organization will do. So Tesla's Q2 2022 income could stun the market, as it will show organization development. While the stock cost is in decline, meaning this moment may be a decent opportunity to get some Tesla stock. Who knows yet? We are eager to find out. Thus, that brings up the issue: what has Tesla made arrangements for the future to guarantee that it stays at the top and delivers effective profit into the following quarterly profit report? Could it be that they have made arrangements that will take their stock costs so high that they will leave the whole financial exchange stunned? One of the improvements that we can anticipate from Tesla is battery advancement. In the early years, most automakers lived and kicked the bucket with gas-powered motors. A portion of the elements like fuel infusion and measures for Example, pull were what they used to draw in purchasers and afterward come to the highest point of the market anyway, or in the new time of electric vehicles, and they've demonstrated to come in extremely helpful. Might this make Tesla at some point record much higher? To income, perhaps of the best thing that is utilized to gauge and decide a superior electric vehicle is its battery, and some presentation gauges to how far could the vehicle at any point go on a solitary charge, how quick might it be at any point. Is it costly or modestly evaluated with regards to building it? These are a portion of the inquiries that individuals will pose concerning electric vehicles, and that is directed to Tesla fostering a cutting-edge battery, which they're calling the 4680. It's supposed to give an advancement with regards to cost and scope of vehicles, which is the all-out distance that the vehicle can go on a single charge. Tesla has as of late begun involving these batteries in their vehicles, yet they're only accessible in restricted volumes. The standpoint that the organization will expect to deliver this new battery and the inventory of chips and unrefined substances that it will expect to construct them is pivotal to Tesla's arrangements to expand its development of EVs, and in the event that they were to effectively accomplish this, Tesla would wind up stunning the whole securities exchange with its Q2 profit. Something else that will take Tesla to the very top is their recently fabricated manufacturing plants in Austin, Texas and Berlin. Throughout the course of recent weeks, Tesla has previously started creation and transportation from these new production lines, notwithstanding the industrial facilities in Shanghai and California. Tesla currently intends to expand its working edges as well as scale to make more vehicles. The recently constructed gigafactories in Austin and Berlin both set out with extraordinary freedom to accomplish an extraordinary expansion in net edges. This will likewise offer the organization a more prominent chance to expand creation, particularly with the production network issues brought about by China's lockdowns and the continuous conflict in Ukraine. Consequently, the recently fabricated plants are essential on the off chance that the organization is to hit its net focuses during the current year. The vast majority, particularly the financial backers in the securities exchange, are looking toward the new items that are set to be underlying Austin, which incorporate the hotly anticipated digital truck and Tesla's semi-truck. Since the digital truck was declared, most Tesla fans had been enthusiastically hanging tight for it to be delivered. Heaps of individuals have proactively set their stores to get the progressive pickup truck anyway. As a result of postpones that have been happening for quite a long time, certain individuals have proactively begun withdrawing and requesting a discount on their stores. However, even as that happens, it's been said that the digital truck isn't similar to some other. It's a cutting-edge vehicle, and whenever it's delivered, it will be serious areas of strength for Tesla, and they will make additional deals from it, and with additional deals that implies they get to record a higher Q2 profit report that will undoubtedly leave the financial exchange stunned. Tesla has figured out how to keep up in spite of every one of the unanticipated conditions, like the pandemic that saw most organizations come to a standstill, and presently the conflict between Russia and Ukraine, which has shaken the economy all around the world. Tesla's fundamental objective is to accelerate the world's change to clean energy by making electric vehicles and other energy items more reasonable. Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada was worked on to get this going. The manufacturing plant basically fabricates lithium particle batteries, which are then utilized in electric vehicles and other electric vehicle parts. It's supposed to be the biggest structure universally, and it is totally fueled by environmentally friendly power, guaranteeing that it accomplishes net zero energy. This design is intended to tackle a large portion of Tesla's battery emergency. Plainly, Tesla has endured a few quite difficult stretches, and it's not halting there. It's certainly bound for more and is as yet developing. And in view of this, most financial backers in the financial exchange will be totally stunned, particularly with what Tesla has arranged. In the event that Tesla has figured out